Hi, my name is Tiffany. I'm the graphic designer here at GoLinks. On a daily basis, I'm working with a lot of different teams and a lot of different tools. So GoLinks helps me navigate all the different tools and resources I need to do my job. For example, I start my day off with going to go/marketing design board. And this is where I see all the projects that I have on my plate. The cool thing about GoLinks is that we have a lot of integrations, one of them being with Jira. When I click on a ticket, I can see if there are any associated GoLinks with that ticket. So here, for example, there's a GoLink that will lead me directly to a resource that is relevant to this project. I also like to use the GoLink go/cal to get to my calendar to see if there are any meetings that I have coming up. And just like with Jira, we also have a Google Calendar integration. If I click on our bi-weekly design meeting, you can see if there are any relevant resources. So for example, here, I can click on go/design meeting to lead me straight to the meeting, or check out the notes at go/design sync, or to our design team wiki at go/design KB. After I have a good sense of what is on my plate, I go to the tool that I use the most, where I get all of my designs done, Figma. And I go there by simply typing in go/Figma. And this brings me to the desktop version of Figma. And when I get to a point where my designs are finished and ready for handoff, I simply go to go/handoff assets. That brings us to our designated Google Drive folder. And as you can see, this folder lives within other folders, so rather than navigating an extensive library, I use a GoLink to bring me directly to this folder. And lastly, as a designer, I'm always looking to collaborate or get feedback on my work, and to do that quickly, we use a tool called Tandem, where we can hop on quick video chats. And I'll get there by just typing in go/design dome, a channel that we've specified for designers. So these are just some of the ways that I use GoLinks as a graphic designer. Hopefully you can use these as examples to help boost your productivity as well.